Okay, upon rebooting, make sure that you take out your DVD drive and press enter when it says show boot options. The first time you're going to want to hit -X, just like that right there. And you're going to want to make sure that your hard drive is there, which mine is Hackintosh 1.6. And then you're going to hit enter to boot. And it'll go through the boot again. But this time you will be confronted with a clean install of Mac OS 10.5.6 Leopard. Looks just like the DVD installer, but it's not. It's actually Mac OS 10. And once we get into here, which should be soon because my computer's decently fast, and it'll all come up just like normal, like this. Or it should. Anyway. Here we go. And you'll have a clean install Mac. It'll have the Mac background, everything. Won't have all that stuff in the dock like I do yet. The first thing you're gonna do is go up here to the top corner, and the Apple logo, which acts as the start button in Mac OS 10. Sorry, my tripod's not being very nice. And you're going to want to go to this Apple logo. You're going to go software update. And it's going to check for new software. Mine's not going to find any because I installed it all. But originally, if you've just installed this and everything in your internet and everything is working correctly, it will come up with a new software list in there. And then select all of them, especially the system update 10.5.7. That's very important, and let it download it and install it. And then you will boot back. When you boot the next time, do not hit the -X and come back into safe mode. It will work just like it should, and you will be greeted by a working install. But it will be at 1024 by 768 resolution, which is a problem. So you're going to go to a URL that I'm going to put right up here. It's going to be right here. It's going to be URL. And you're going to go to that. You're going to go to that URL that I just pointed at, and you're going to download a file called nadit.package, and it will run you through the install. It's very easy. Click continue, install. Reboot your computer, and your graphics should be working just fine. If it's an HD 3870, that is what you got to do. If not, install the drivers with the IPC. It should work just fine. Or you can get drivers on insanelymac.com, which is the forums that I use. There's sections specifically for drivers and things like that, and it's very easy. Couple of things you might want to look into after you have a Mac. I'm going to do a couple plugs right here. Besides that, insanelymac.com, because it's an amazing website. A couple things you want to look into. iLife. I love this software. I don't know how I got by on Windows, because this is amazing software. Comes with GarageBand, iMovie, iPhoto, iWeb. Great editing software. And World of Goo. An amazing game that nobody played, everybody pirated. This definitely deserves your money. It's Mac compatible right out of the box, so pick that up. A couple other programs that you might want to look into are Adium, which is an instant messaging client, and I'll show you really quick right here. It looks a lot like it fits in really well with the rest of Mac OS 10. But it comes up, it's got your contact list like an average one would, and conversation window. It's really nice. It's the little bird down here in my system tray. OpenOffice.org, standard work, that kind of thing. Word, PowerPoint. But it's free, of course, because I'm cheap. And VLC Media Player, your one-stop media player for all things. It'll play anything. GIMP is a great free Photoshop, and Transmission is my torrent client that I use. I think that's all. If you have any questions, you feel free to comment with them. One thing, your audio might not work to begin with. Just reinstall the audio drivers. Just put the IPC DVD in while you're in Mac OS X, and it'll be in a folder in there. I'd also like to say, if you like this tutorial, check out our videos. At least give us some views. Function 10 at YouTube. Also, In Your Face, spelled in leet. Got some leet. Thanks for watching.